February 20, 2022 is a Sunday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of Staten Island. Dress for cold. The temperature today should reach up to 36 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity is at 30%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Some clouds. We've got strong wind at about 19 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be cold with few clouds. Tuesday is going to be cold with moderate rain. Wednesday is going to be cold with light rain. Thursday is going to be cold with light rain. Friday is going to be cold with snow. Saturday is going to be cold with few clouds. Sunday is going to be cold with few clouds. Small craft advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Gale watch remains in effect from Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night. Gale warning is cancelled. What for the small craft advisory? Northwest winds 15 to 20 knots. With gusts up to 30 knots and seas 1 to 3 feet. For the gale watch. Northwest winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts up to 35 knots and seas 2 to 4 feet possible. Where? Long Island Sound west of Port Jefferson and New Haven, and New York Harbor. When? For the small craft advisory, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. For the gale watch, from Saturday afternoon through late Saturday night. Impacts. Strong winds can cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Gale warning remains in effect until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. What? Northwest winds 20 to 25 knots with gusts up to 40 knots. Where? Long Island Sound west of Port Jefferson and New Haven, and New York Harbor. When? Until 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. Next up, Emile Francis dies at 95, rebuilt N.H.L's Rangers as coach and general manager. Emile Percy Francis was born on September 13, 1926, in North Battleford, Saskatchewan. His father died when he was 8. That's it, New York. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).